Astrid, do you read me? Come in. Astrid, come in. Do you read me?
It's a relief to see you are alive. It would have reflected poorly on our operation had you expired. Here's the situation. Your landing craft computer failed, causing your ship to miss its landing zone and crash into the sea.
How far under the surface are we?
Approximately 60 meters underneath the ocean's surface.
Astrid, run a scan of the ship's systems.
Running diagnostic analysis. It appears that, miraculously, none of the essential systems suffered any damage. However, in a beautiful twist of fate, they're all governed by the now utterly useless computer.
How much oxygen do I have left?
The oxygen supply will last 8 days, but if you're able to restore the battery charging system, you may survive another 14. I suppose you expect my help to get all that done in time. Inventory data shows that your spacecraft just happens to have a suitable repair kit. It might just be sufficient to hobble your systems back to life and crawl your way to the mothership. Hopefully. Of course, this repair kit is a bit old, using technology from the 2020s. But it should be enough. Let's get started by getting the lights on in here. It's a bit tough to do these repairs currently. Human opticals aren't optimized to work in the dark.